Hi everyone, today we are going to learn some of most commonly used TestNG annotations with simple example. Here we have multiple test methods marked with the test annotation. These are the actual test cases that TestNG will execute. Before the complete test suite starts, we can use at before suite, and at after suite runs after the entire suite is completed. Similarly, at before test runs before the test section, and at after test runs after it. We also have at before class and at after class, which execute before and after all the test methods inside the class. And at before method runs before every at test method, while at after method runs after every test method. As you can see in the console output, the annotations control the exact execution order of our test cases. Understanding this execution order is very important when working with TestNG and Selenium automation.